Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming Bluetooth is enabled on both devices and not in airplane mode. Also check battery levels and ensure neither device is below 10%. Move devices within 3-5 feet to avoid range and interference problems from walls or Wi-Fi. Check that the device is visible or discoverable in settings for at least 30 seconds. Restart both devices and wait 30 seconds before trying again. Small resets often clear temporary radio conflicts and restore pairing functionality quickly. Open Bluetooth settings and remove the forgotten device entry from the list, then reboot each device to clear caches. Put the peripheral into pairing mode for at least 15 seconds and watch LED cues or voice prompts for readiness. On the phone or computer, scan for nearby devices under Bluetooth and select the correct device name. If a PIN appears, enter the default code like 0000 or 1234, or confirm the numeric code shown. Complete pairing and verify audio or control functionality immediately to confirm success. If problems persist, update device firmware or system software to the latest Bluetooth 5.0 compatible version available. Clear cached Bluetooth data by resetting network settings on mobile devices, but back up Wi-Fi passwords first to avoid loss. Try pairing after a full power cycle, including removing any battery for 10 seconds when possible. Use a 2.4 GHz interference check and test pairing with a different device to isolate the faulty component. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on the peripheral and re-attempt pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.